Hey guys, I'm currently being my own dentist and giving myself a dental cleaning. Let me show you the results so far. So these front teeth here. Let me show you what came off of those. This came off one of those front teeth. I just drilled that off. That came off the one right next to it. This little kit really works for giving your own dental cleaning. And after using that drill, I also use this to finish getting some spots off of these teeth. I scraped it all the way up under the gum to get the rest of it that I got with the drill. That's one here. I'm doing this one next. Let me try to give you a cleaning angle that's going to work for both of us. Mm-hmm. Got it. That's what's up. That's what's up. All right, who's next?